Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming this is a Chrome issue, not the site. Open an unaffected site to compare. Once done, disable extensions that alter content. Some ad blockers or privacy tools block images. Then clear cached images for the site so Chrome refetches fresh copies. Make sure you restart the browser after each change so you observe the effect. This sequence narrows causes fast and prevents needless steps later, so you know if the problem is local or external. Next, you test network and Chrome settings to isolate the middle causes. Try incognito to bypass profile issues, and test another device to spot network-level blocks. Then reset image permissions under site settings so Chrome explicitly allows images. This fixes accidental denies. If images still fail, flush your DNS and consider temporarily disabling experimental protocols like Quick. These can interfere with content negotiation. Make sure to finally, if images remain broken, create a fresh Chrome profile or reinstall to remove corrupted files. This often resolves stubborn cases. Update Chrome to the latest version and reset Chrome. / flags to defaults because experimental flags can break rendering. If problems still occur, open DevTools and inspect the console and network tab. Look for 4XX or 5XX responses and cross-origin errors. That diagnostic is your key troubleshooting tip. Server errors and cores are common non-browser causes, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.